Hey guys, I'm Agastya. So today I'm going to explain you guys about chapter 1, physics, the Indian constitution. So basically guys, this chapter is simple. Now for example, in football we have few rules. Like we have to play football with our foot rather than playing with our arm. Okay? We know that. And then so this is considered as foul. When we play with the arm, it is considered as foul, sorry. So what is it? It's a constitutive rule. It's a particular rule. It's a fundamental of the game. What we have to follow. So these fundamentals are also called as constitutive rules. Like, similarly, society also has constitutive rules that makes it what it is and differentiate it from other kinds of societies. Okay, so guys, next is that in larger societies, okay, in larger societies in which we have different communities of people living together. So we know, you guys know that we live in a country where we have diverse cultures, we have different religions, we have, different people. So but still we all live together, we are united. So in larger societies like India, these rules, okay, these constituted rules are formulated through consensus. So in modern countries, this consensus is usually available in a written form. So a written document in which we find such rules and regulations is called as a constitution. Okay, guys, so you've understood, I hope so. Now let's get back to the first question. Why does a country need a constitution? Okay, so one thing is that, like, before starting the answer for this question, most of us, I think most countries in the world have a constitution. While all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, it is not necessary that all the countries that have a constitution are democratic. The constitution serves several purposes. First, it lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kind of country, like we as our citizens aspire to live in. Okay, it means that this constitution lays down few ideals. Okay, few ideals that forms basis of the kind of the country, means it forms, okay, what it's like, it forms a basis. See, basis means it shows what kind of a country it is. Okay, and in that we as a citizens aspire to live, we show interest to live in such a country. Get my point? So now a constitution, very very important point. The first purpose why do we need a constitution would be that it tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. Okay, it means like we have few rules. Okay, in society we have few rules, we have to follow only those rules to live in the society. It provides us few rules to how to live in the society. So a country is usually made up of different communities of people who share certain beliefs that may not necessarily agree on all issues. Simple, guys. Like, we know that our country, especially India, is made up of different communities of people who share certain beliefs, certain ideals, certain things that may not be agreed every time. You can't agree, whatever that particular community tells. You can't always agree to it, isn't it? It might be, it might be a lie or it might be true. Okay, so now a constitution, an actual apt, this definition is here for you. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. So guys, this particular definition means, in simple words, it means that it is a set of rules or regulations that all the citizens in our country, okay, should follow it. Okay, so that their ideals, the ideals of the people, how they want the country to be governed, can be fulfilled. Understood? So I hope you've understood what exactly is a constitution. And And if I wanted to say in a simpler way, I'll say that Constitution is a book of set of, it's a set of rules and regulations that all the citizens in a country should follow. Okay, guys. So next is that Constitution not only includes the type of government and also the agreement, it also includes, okay, it also includes and certain ideals. It also includes certain ideals that we people or that the country believes. Okay, we all believe some ideals, and our country should uphold it. So that is also in the Constitution. Okay, guys. Now next we are going to continue the part 2 of the video, but before concluding, let's discuss this info part. I'm just giving an overview of this info. In 1934, Indian National Congress made the demand for a constituent assembly. So constituent assembly means the people who gathered to write the constitution. Okay, so they wanted the British to draft a constituent assembly, independent constituent assembly for them. So but after 13 years, and December 1946, the Constituent Assembly was drafted for a constitution of the independent India, and it our what you say, our Constituent Assembly has finished writing the Constitution on November 26, 2000. Yeah, what? Yeah, sorry, it's not November 26, 1949. I'm like in 2000. So yeah, and one more thing is that, and this was published on 26 January 1950, which is called as the Republic Day, and 1949 November 26 is called as the Indian National Constitution Day of India. So guys, the part 1 video is done. I hope you've understood. Thank you. Signing off, Agastya.